Hey viewers, this is another quick video from Quick Fix Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the radiator fan, the thermocouple fan. It's a mechanical fan from a 2007 Jeep Wrangler. I believe this is 2009 model. Up to 2009 is the same. This is a 2.8 diesel. This fan sits right here on this thread like that. That's not the water pump, I believe. Not 100% sure, but yeah, that's just a bracket, and then it sits on here, and this thread is counterclockwise, so it loosens the opposite way, the way you tied it, and then get tightened the way you usually tied it. Sorry, the way you lose it. So the problem with this one is, or not the problem, or the hard part is when this one sits here. This is like a 35 millimeter bolt here. I'm sorry, a nut, and then not much space to put it, but you can barely put a wrench on it. But the problem is that you can't hold this one. When you put a wrench on it, on that other nut, this one just freely spins because it's just the belt holding it. So the way to hold this one is you have a special tool that goes into one of these holes, or two of these holes, and then you just have to hold it with one hand and then crank this one loose with the other hand. So I don't have that tool. What I'm going to show you how to get over with a homemade special tool or a workshop made special tool. So let me get that one here. So this is just a piece of now this is like 10 mil cable, solid steel, and I just made a L-shaped corner here, and then this is just pretty straight. Not sure how long this is, but I just made sure it is long enough to fit. Show you this one closer. On this hole, it goes into that hole and then sits right under here. Hope that makes sense. So once you do that, once you put a pressure on this pulley this way, it's not going to move. It's just wedged in between here and here, and you put that one, and then you can get a force and crank this one loose. That's how you do it. So that's a quick tip. You don't have to spend money on buying any special tools. This is just you just need a piece of cable wire, and then just make a bend on it, and then you're good to go. Just gonna do a timing belt. We'll do another video on this one later. For now, see you guys. Have a good one. Bye.